Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Jordan. This is Maggie.
Hey guys.
And that's Ethan, which you already know from him from some other videos.
What'd you say about me?
Oh yeah, that recent video of you going like crazy.
At the house tour.
So tell them what happened. Who wants to say it?
We had the worst day of tubing of our lives.
I didn't.
I literally got stung by a wasp right over here and my finger. And it was my first time kayaking by myself.
I got a buckle now.
Oh, hey mom, look mom. I don't like videos.
No, I was showing Maggie.
Oh.
That Maggie is Ethan's best friend.
No, I hate him actually.
But it was literally worth it. I fell like every minute and I lost my lucky hat.
Look at.
Oh no!
See him?
I'm calling back to your bed.
Guys, sorry I couldn't bring David or Alexis, our regular people. Sorry, they're usually in my videos, Alexis and David, but they're not here. So y'all two, y'all are a guy and a girl. So this replaces Alexis, Maggie, today, and Ethan replaces David. But he looks a lot like David.
What's your name?
Alexa.
Alexis.
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 Alexis, not Alexa.
Alexis, get it right. You said Alexa first. I did not.
Crazy. This was a crazy day. What did anything bad happen to you?
Say hey to, oh no, I didn't flip. I didn't flip once.
Anything bad happened to you at all?
No. Besides the thunder and lightning.
Yeah, it was thundering and lightning. Could this day get worse? Oh yeah, my dad lost his glasses. His very important glasses. All because of me, I think. It all started with me. And then Jacqueline broke a nail.
Felt like it hurt.
There's Jacqueline over there. But yeah, that sting still hurts me. It's over here. I don't know if you can see it. Worst place, and by a wasp, not a bee, which makes it even worse. And I've never got stung by a wasp until now, but I got stung by 2 wasps. I got stung by 2 wasps, and once, finger and this, I don't know what you want to call it. Shoulder. Armpit, I don't care. It was fun, but also anything. Maggie says bye.
Bye guys.
Bye.
Yeah, please subscribe. I love y'all. Bye. Happy 4th of July.